Welcome to June Lake, California. We're over here on the shoreline. Gonna see what we can get. It looks like there's some wind here too. We've been experiencing wind all the way up and down the Sierra this morning, and we're just kind of fishing everywhere we can and seeing what we can get. And this looks like a beautiful day. We're kind of avoiding some of the wind here in this cove. It's not so bad. And whoa, look at that, Huck Outdoors on the shoreline. Hey. So we'll see what we get. Hopefully it'll be a good day. I think it will. I think we're gonna have a good time out here. Looks like there's some boats stacked up in the cove, so maybe there's some fish stacked up in here with them. So anyway, stay with me. Let's get some fish. All right, possible first fish of the day here at June Lake. Pretty good little bite that just took this one down. Let's see if he'll come back. That was a good little bite right there. Let's see. Huh? Well, he was biting it. We'll come back if I see him take it down. I'm not gonna set the hook until that thing is absolutely buried. All right, definitely a bite though. That's a good sign. We'll be back. I think the bite came back. Pretty good hit. There it goes. Look there. All right, let's get it. We got quicksand out in front of us, so we got to be careful reeling these things in. These are little guys, so oh, looks like he's off. He was on there. Oh no, he's still there. Look how little. Wow. If you were questioning the size of the fish at June Lake, check that one out, guys. That thing is about, I don't know, 5 inches. Awesome. Let's see if it's a cutty. Nope, just a finger limbo. All right, let's get him back out there. These ducks here at June Lake are, I'd say they're beyond habituated. They're dang near crawl into your lap. You want food? I'm sure you do. I don't have any. They're trying to eat my bait. Jason just hooked one and it threw his bobber off his rod and tipped the whole rod forward, so I'm guessing it's decent. But as you could see, that shoreline over there is rough, super rough. It's so hard to get down there. He says it's a good one. Looks like a nice fish. All right, Huck Outdoors on the board. Now it's my turn. I think I'm on. Hopefully it'll be a little bigger than that last fish I caught. Can't tell right now. Definitely a fish on there. Yeah, it's bigger than the last one. Looks like we had a little school come through. There we go. Yeah, a little better. All right, let me get him off of there and I'll show you. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back out there. I love the colors on this one. Fish number 3. Let's see if we can get him. I don't know. Wasn't a very strong bite, so probably another small fish if he is on there. Let's oh, there he goes. Yep, we'll pull him. It's not a little fish. I mean, it's little, but it ain't like that 6-incher. Like I said, we don't have much shore, so we gotta Be creative. This probably feels a little better. Oh yeah, he's not little. I don't know how big he is yet. Let me see if we can get the net and go down here to this rock. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. A bigger fish, and he broke it off at the leader. Broke me off, took the whole thing. So let me get re-rigged here and we'll get back out. Huck is, oh yeah, that's bigger. He thought he had a smaller fish than I had earlier. Nah, mine was about half that size. Yeah. So, all right, we'll get him back out there. Just had one hit this rod pretty good. Gonna pick it up and wait for it. That was a good hit right there. Not feeling anything now. Well, almost took the rod into the water, but when I picked it up, it was kind of done. So we'll come back. We'll see if he comes back for it. I don't feel anything on there. All right, see you in a minute. All right, we are getting near packing it up. I put a lure on real quick because we're going to use it at the next spot. But we're going to see if we can get a couple of spoon hits right here. You never know. Problem is, like I said, this shoreline, about the first 5 feet of it is absolute quicksand. I can't stand at all on shore. I'm standing on a rock that somebody put out over here. Lure's looking good in the water. All right, we'll be back if I get hit. All right, that was a great cast I just put out there. So let's see if we can get hit. Nope, nothing on that pass. So there you can see, as we head south for the day, look at the smoke. You can see all that pink color near the base of the screen there. That's all smoke. It's really bad, and we're headed right into the thick of it. Hopefully it's not that bad down there, but we're gonna throw the HVAC in the vehicle. We're gonna put it in recirc so we're not smelling that all the way home. But I've heard through the grapevine it's pretty bad down there. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you.